Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the supported path, cast or wired HDMI. Plug an HDMI adapter or choose the Chromecast/AirPlay device on your TV and set that input. On your phone, tablet, or laptop, open the Netflix app and sign in. Once done, make sure your TV and device share the same Wi-Fi network. This is required for discovery. If using a laptop, prepare the HDMI cable and an adapter for your port. Now you're ready to cast or connect physically. You now connect. In the Netflix app, tap the Cast or AirPlay icon and pick the TV device that appears. If the icon doesn't show, verify Wi-Fi and restart the app. For HDMI, plug the cable and switch your TV to that HDMI input. Then on your laptop, choose the external display as the primary or mirrored screen. Once connected, select the title and press play. Netflix will stream directly to the TV through the authorized path, preserving DRM and stream quality. You finish by stopping casting inside Netflix or unplugging the HDMI cable when done. If video won't play, first restart the Netflix app and the casting device, then reboot your router. These quick resets often solve discovery and handshake issues. Make sure your account hasn't hit concurrent stream limits and that your TV or adapter supports HDCP/DRM, otherwise Netflix won't play. If problems persist, try an alternate authorized device like an Apple TV.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.